And welcome friends. So today what are we going to see is we are going to see RNN, recurrent neural networks, or a long short-term memory or something like that. So we are going to see text generation and NLP oriented thing in YOLO darknet. So when you just go for YOLO v3 darknet, okay, and hit enter, you can see this. Okay, you can go here, and this is mainly based on generating text. Yeah, I'm just going to tell you how to make this. This is RNN, recurrent neural networks in darknet. So what is the heading is, so neural networks are all range from time series data and NLP, how to use them in darknet. So how to use recurrent neural networks in darknet. So you can see this blog post, okay, and what they are telling is that the network, you have to change is to ASCII letters and start the training. So you have George R.R. Martin. He is the writer of so-called Game of Thrones, I think so. Okay, so you can just generate the text. I'll tell you how to generate this in Colab. Okay, so this is the recurrent neural network paper. As you can see, it is using these things to just generate text, and also it can be used to generate proofs also in mathematics. In algebraic geometry, they have been using this to generate proof. Algebraic geometry is also a branch in which geometry and algebra merge. Okay, so there is a merging in this. So nobody is really concerned for this so-called recurrent neural networks in YOLO. They are only concerned for this object detection and everything. So what are we going to do is, we are going to do this recurrent neural networks. I'll tell you the step-by-step procedures, how to tweak the Colab. It is not that easy to do because you have to understand the architecture. But nowadays, what is happening is that everybody is using Colab without understanding. You are not understanding what is the basic architecture of the GPU. Okay, let me open a new notebook. So first I have to tell you this, you have to go to this. This is the only website where you can get the GPU architectures. Even in this, you are not able to get it because I will give you the all the architecture details and everything. So in here, what happens is that there are, like, in chipset you have two kinds of architectures: John von Neumann architecture, and in microprocessor and everything, you know that. Okay, in microprocessor and everything, you know that. So John von Neumann architecture, and there is another architecture, Harvard architecture. So there are two kinds of architectures, but in this so-called GPU, you have PAS, Fermi, Kepler, and all those architectures. These are the architecture codes that have been needed for it. So in here, what happens is that in Colab, what happens is, I'll open the Colab for you. So I'm opening a new notebook. Okay. Let it open. So in Colab, we are using Tesla K80, not K40, and it is actually CUDA 10.1 architecture, CUDA 10.1 and CUDA 9 version. Okay. So I will tell you how to just find everything in this. So let me first change the runtime mode to GPU. Okay, and save this. Okay, so the runtime mode is now changed to GPU. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the darknet. Okay, first I have to git clone it. So I'll copy it. I'm just using it in a Brave browser. No matter you use, this is actually working for me, so I'm using it. You can use Chrome for it. Okay, so you have to git clone it. So before that, let me rename my text generation text RNN YOLO. Okay, so this exclamation mark is for using this on cloud terminal. So this is a Jupyter notebook, I think so. So you just have to download it. So you are not a robot, you know that. So some kinds of cars are over here. Just click on the cars, verify it. Okay. Okay, it has been done. So it is starting to download the GitHub repository, and Colab is providing you a great variety of GPUs. Mainly the GPU is K80. Okay, Tesla K80. So you just go here. I'll tell you how to find the Coderon version and uh, everything. So you just go here, CUDNN, Coderon, terminal, Coderon version in terminal. Okay. So how to check the Codenon version in CUDA and Codenon version in terminal. Okay. So you can just use this thing. So it depends on NVCC for that thing. Okay. Let it get downloaded. Okay. NVCC version for that thing. And for Codenon, you have to just click this thing and check it. Okay. Cat or grep codenon.h or use this. So let's first check the NVCC version. Okay, first check the NVCC version. So just go here, type exclamation mark NVCC VERSION version, and check the what type of CUDA has been installed. Okay, it is CUDA 10.1. Now you have to check the Codenon. So in order to check the Codenon, what you have to do is you have to use this or that. So cat major codenon.a2. So get here and then just paste this. Go here, home, exclamation mark, and you just see whether the Codenon, what version of Codenon is being installed. Okay. Then if this doesn't work, you can just use this. If this also doesn't work, we will just guess it that it should be between 10.6 or something. Okay. Okay, but it should be the latest one. Okay, you have this. Codenon is supposed to be 7, I think so. Minor, major, and patch levels have been installed. Okay, this is working. Remember this command. You can use this. Okay, to check the GPU, you can just use this NVIDIA SMI. You can just go here and just click this and check the NVIDIA SMI. What kind of graphics card you use. So don't forget to put the exclamation mark. Okay. Okay, this is Tesla K80, and I can tell you that for Tesla K80 for CUDA 10 architecture, there is no architecture codes have been given because it is 37. I will tell you what to do with it. Okay, what to do with it. So first we have so far found all those things. There is no processor running over here. So the next thing is that you have to check in which directory you are in. So pwd, it should be inside the content folder. Okay. Okay, darknet has been downloaded. As you can see, we have downloaded that. Okay, so more on CUDA architecture, you can go visit this website, Aeron DK SMGPU architecture, different kinds of CUDA versions. Okay, so far this has been correct. So if you don't do it this RNN correctly, it will not work. No matter you have 15 gigs of GPU. So this GPU is nearly 11 gigs. Okay, it is very powerful. Even though if you don't follow these steps correctly, it is Tesla K80. Okay, you don't follow these steps correctly, you will miserably end up in error. So this is custom detection also. So now what we have to do is, next step is, I'm not going to share this. I'm sorry that I'm not going to share this notebook because I have provided these steps step by step. Okay, so now what we have to do is, you have to get into the directory called .NET CD DARKNET. Okay. Now don't please go to the runtime and change this to uh, what called this thing. Then every from starting you have to do. Okay. So you have to go here pwd and check the present working directory. So okay, we are inside the darknet. Okay, now what you have to do is we have to get inside the darknet, and I have discussed about this GPU architecture, and for CUDA 10 these are the architecture things, and for CUDA 9.2 and everything. Okay, these are the different kinds of graphics card. My graphics card, I am a very poor man, and I am just really thriving to get some money. I just have 710 GeForce graphics card. Okay, poor man's graphics card. It's only 3,000 rupees, nearly about $50 or something. Okay, not more than that. Even though I just managed to run this on that thing, but there were lots of mistakes in that, because whatever graphics card you have, you should know this GPU architecture. Without knowing, whatever you do it on Colab or anything, you will not manage to run it, because on C you need to know this SM architecture. Okay, and for Tesla K80 graphics card, it is supposed SM37. Okay, SM37 more specifically. So for Colab, most of the graphics card are Tesla K80 as shown over here, and the drivers are supposed to be this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get back to this RNN. So I'm going to say you first, you have this GRR Martins thing, and you have Shakespeare's he has written a play, and Leo Tolstoy's one. So my favorite would be Shakespeare. This is the man whom I know from my schooling. So let me go with him. So copy the link address, and you just get here and just type wget and just control V and just run it. So inside the darknet, this thing would be downloaded. Okay, so there is not, the server is not busy anymore, so you can download it very fastly. Okay, so after that you have to use the darknet trainer website. Okay, so for code and you can use any one of these things. If this any one of these commands works, you have to just run it and see whether it has been installed. Okay, so far we have done with this. It has returned us that these are the details it has written us. Okay, okay, this is the very major details. Okay, driver types and everything, you have to notice that. Okay, so Shakespeare's weights has been downloaded. It's great. So now what you have to do is you have to get here. Now we are going to write the play what Shakespeare is written. So for that, what you have to do is you have to get here, and this is the weights for Shakespeare. So copy this, and I will tell you how to tweak these things. Control V, paste, get here. So in here, what you have to understand is CFG rnn.cfg, which is situated over here. Okay, you have rnn.cfg situated over here. So we are also going to do and custom. We are going to take the Eminem lyrics, and we are going to generate it. Okay, we are going to generate it. But today I will just do the partial one. I will not do the complete one. Okay, so far you have understand what I have told. Okay, let me check the mic. Oh my God, the mic is not working. That's it. So far we have done with this thing. Okay. So this is okay. Now we have to get back, and in here the tweaking components are, you have to note the length, seed, disrand and everything. So this is the length. So I'm going to generate a very big text, his story. Okay, so I'm going to paste this. So the length is supposed to be 10,000 lines. I'm also going to go beyond 1 lakh. 1 lakh pages of Shakespeare's play. Okay, and I'm also going to generate Eminem lyrics. Okay, so let's get back, and this is so far done. And after that, what you have to do is SRAN temp is the sampling temperature of the sampling. Okay, so this is simple, that seed is nothing but RNN seed is a hint. So let's read in detail about this. Okay, so what they have been given in this. Okay, so the main details that I can tell you is that in OSX or in other thing, you have to just change this to ASCII for custom object, custom not object. It is custom text classification. After classification, not classification, it is custom text generation. Okay, so in order to do that, what you have to do is you have Leo Tolstoy's one and Kant. These are the people. Leo Tolstoy is a very big playwright, so you can get their minds now. So now what to do is you have this. So the Shakespeare weights is over here and everything is set. So I'm going to generate the text. So let's generate it. You know that GPU runtime. Okay, we have not so-called darknet is not being done. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, copy the cell and delete this. Okay, delete this for now. So make file is over here, so I have to download the make file. Okay, download the make file. So let me do it on music because there is nothing over there. Okay, let's save this make file. Okay, there's a file over there, and let's go to the music file. So now you have to understand that if you do it wrong, then everything would just go away. So you have to understand that this is Tesla K80, and they are telling you that it has to be SM37 architecture. Okay, so now what you have to do is, this is the prompt way. If you don't do it correctly, everything would collapse. So I have just generated a make file. I'll show you this. I'll also give you the make file details in the description. So just go to the videos. Where is it? So over here, make file. Okay, the make file is over here. So I have enabled GPU and everything. So I have just asterisked it to not get notified. So this is the make file for Tesla K80. Okay, and I just organized it. So I just save it. The make file GPU 1 and CUDA 1. OpenCV may be installed, but we don't know that it has been installed. So we are not going to, because we don't need that now. So just let's save it. After that, what I'm going to do is, in the second part, we are going to try this same recurrent neural networks of text generation in AlexCAB. So after this, what you have to do is you have to just save this, and after saving it, Arc, Gencode, and these things have been done. We are going to upload it. So just get back here and get to the text generation, and you just delete this file. Okay, then just get to the darknet upload file and get back down, go to the make file, open it, click OK. Okay, so it has been uploaded. Now you can make it. If everything goes correctly, I will give you the make file. Don't try to do something, it will get wrong. Okay, if you will get lots of error. I am sure that more of lots of people watching these videos will be start complaining me it's not working. Please copy this make file. I'll give you in the description. After you copy this make file, make the make file according to this, because no matter you try, it will be hard. I will tell you why. Okay, so let this run. Okay, let this run. There will be no error. So let me show you what is the difficulty in this and resolved. I have resolved this problem after a long time. Okay, this is the first make file. This GitHub repos. Okay, GitHub repos. You just go here. What is this? Okay, there have been lot of mistakes that has been committed. Okay, according to this. So people are telling us that. I'll give you all these this also. Okay, Okay, and these are the things, and the most common thing is that the issue is just keep on, after you just finish your thing also, it will just keep on running. Okay, these are the makefile details. It is telling that the GPU architecture should be 37R37, and for K80 in order to work on Colab, these are the details that have been given. So this is the makefile. You have to copy this, and you have to tweak the CFG file also for training. Okay, you have to tweak the CFG file also for training. Before that, let this end. Okay, I think it's finished. I think so, without any error. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to get back here, and again go here, go to RNN, go to the Shakespeare, and let me show you the generation of the text. Okay, just get back here and Control V, get back to the here exclamation mark and length LEN. I'm going to generate a 10,000 lines of Shakespeare's play. You can't, machine is generating. That is the greatest part. So you just click this. This is running on a GPU. No need to initiate the GPU. Okay, see how much fast it is generating. About 10,000 lines it is generating. Okay, it just keep on generating. You can even generate up to lots of codes. So let us go for 1 lakh or 10 lakh lines of code generation of text. Okay, you can even generate, as I am telling you, that you can even generate proofs. I'm going to because you know this millennium problem, no? Millennium problem, they are giving you lot of money. Okay, they are giving you lot of money for this proofs. Okay, in millennium problem, what happens is millennium problem. Okay, millennium problem, they are giving you lots of money. They are just giving you $1 million for a proof. If you are lucky that you can generate proofs, I'm just kidding. No, it's not that easy. Max is not that easy. Okay, that it's not that easy to do, but I'm just joking with you guys. Okay, let's see. It's keep on generating. Okay, as you can see, it is generating 10 lakh lines of uh, these words. Okay, so these millennium problems, what will happen is that if you are able to solve any one of these things, Riemann hypothesis or any one of these, they will give you nearly $1 million. Yang-Mills mass gap theory, Poincare conjecture, and those things, Navier-Stokes equation, these are very hard problems. A man has solved it, but he has not got the prize. Millennium problem, his name, I just forgot it. Millennium Prize, okay. Millennium Prize from Russia. Russians are very good at mathematics. Okay, and okay, his name was, I could not pronounce his name. Grigory Perelman. Okay, so this is the guy. He didn't even get the prize. Okay, he didn't even get the prize, and he just solved this so-called one kind of in topology. Okay, he solved the problem in topology. He is this guy. He looks very weird. He didn't get the prize, but we should salute him for his great achievement and his nearly his knowledge. We should really salute him. So we should salute him for his knowledge and we create it. So our deal is that, okay, let's stop this. This is going to go forever. Okay, so this is the text generation that you can give for seed, rand, and everything. So the greatest part is generating proofs. Even in the Victorian ages, there were times when people were getting math proofs for money. Okay, So let me show you that page again. So you have this blogspot by Andrzej Krapati. Okay, so in this they are just telling you that I just find generating this RNN text for this programming languages and this math proofs is really bizarre one, because you just generate a math proof from RNN, no? It is really weird one. It's a really weird one. You can even generate this C++ code, but I'm not going to do that because I love Eminem. Okay, Eminem's "Lose Yourself" lyrics. So this is the text that has been generated. Okay, stop, please stop. Okay, let's kill it. Interrupt the execution. Okay, let's interrupt the execution. It was my mistake that I have just given a lot. Okay, so let it get be interrupted. Okay, how to make tutorial? Come on. Okay, what it is telling, executing the code is not responding. Okay, yes, I have to interrupt it. Okay, it has been interrupted. Okay, so far so good. So it has generated a lot of text. You can even scam people on YouTube of replying it with a bot or something with this use of this RNN text generation. So now what you have to do is we have just uploaded the make file. Okay, and the make file is supposed to have this architecture. Okay, SM37, which is the K80's architecture. Okay, and we have also done it. So after that, what you have to do, you have to just go for the custom deduction. Okay, and I'm telling you that this has been done by a very long struggle. It was not that easy to do. So in here these guys have given the correct configuration file. So now you have to also change the configuration files and everything. So now what to do is you have to get back and get down. So let's go for Eminem Lose Yourself lyrics, and Eminem's Lose Yourself lyrics. Eminem Lose Yourself lyrics. Okay, it is Eminem's Lose Yourself lyrics. Just copy it. Okay, just copy it, and after that you just have a look at those events. Okay, it's Eminem's Lose Yourself lyrics of great choice. He has really struggled to make this. I just love these lyrics. So we will try to generate this lyrics now. Okay, we will try to generate this lyrics. We will just try to go for math proofs and earn some money. Okay, that all will be later. Okay, this is his brain, which has been writing this. So let's go here. So how to make a rap song? Okay, let's go to new. Paste this. Control A, Control C. I'm just copying it, not anything bizarre. So these are the methods of a genius. So you can just generate any text or math proofs with this. Okay, so the math proof is my main thing. So this is an sampled fake algebraic geometry proof paper. You can just download this. Okay, this is an thing which has been generated from RNN. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so this is the great detail. Okay, thank you. So now what you have to do is, now we have to go and generate some text. Okay, what happened? Okay, okay, no problem. What happened? Okay, okay, it has taken a long time to generate these things. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to just generate some text and these things. So these were the struggles that we made. So now we have to go here to the text generator and go to the CFG and go to the RNN CFG trainer. Before that, I am telling you that Eminem lose yourself lyrics is over here. You have to convert this to ASCII. So you just get here and type um text to ASCII. It's available. Okay. You just copy this, Control C, and just paste it. Control V, convert this to ASCII. Control A, Control C, and paste this. Control V, and save this as data.text. Okay, as text. You have to just convert the text, but you have to save it as to ASCII, but you have to save it as text. Okay, data. I'm just saving it in data in desktop will be better. Okay, in there, then get back here, then get back to the darknet and upload. Oh, bad. Okay, now we have to also tweak the CFG files. Okay, then get back here and go to the desktop and go to the data.text. Where is it? The okay, it's over here. This is the Eminem relics in ASCII. So after that, what you have to do? You have to go to the CFG, and in here, what they have been telling is that you have to copy this total thing. So in here, what all they have changed is, where is it? So you have to go to the RCNN train. Okay, and go to the desktop, save it. Okay, and get back here. So it is over here. Paste this. So in here, you have to change this batch and everything. And batch you have to change it to 64, and you have to change, let me change everything. Control V. Okay, and save it. Okay, save it, and you just get back to the browser, and just delete this RNN CFG train, and again you have to upload it. Before uploading, you just save it correctly. Okay, what are we have changes? We have changed the batch to 64, and rest things are the same. You have to just add cost as SSE type of cost function and all those things, and you just close it, get back to the CFG, upload it. So RNN CFG, just click it. Where is it? It's over here in desktop. Upload it. Okay, so the main thing is that you have to note that you have to change this architecture to 37, because Tesla K80 is on this Google Cloud called Colab, and you have to just asterisk this, and without notifying it as to note this for the make file. I'll just tell you what are the details next. So now what happens is, it has been uploaded. So you have to go back here, and for custom detection training, you have to just copy it, but there will be a mistake because the backup will not be noted. So I will tell you how to note it. So get back, and what you have to do is you have to just run this for training. So CFG and file data text. Okay, data text is actually it's over here. Okay, data.text is over here. So it is really ready to rock and roll. Okay, let's see what happened. Just don't know. Bin bash darknet is not a directory. I don't know why this error often comes. Um, Okay, we can just make the file, make file again, just delete this. Okay, and then again get back here and go to the videos where we have the change the make file. Okay, I'll just show you the make file again, once again. Okay, I'll show you the make file once again. So you have to just give the architecture details, you have to give the GPU and everything. So the make file is again uploaded, so we have to make it again, make. Okay, no target, we are not in the target. Okay, cd, okay, not cd, let's check in which directory are we in. Okay, we are in the content now, we have to get back to the .NET. cd cd darknet .NET. Okay, now we are in the .NET. Again we will check it, pwd present working directory. Okay, now let's make it, make. Let it run. So it is just identifying the architecture, and I'm telling you again, if you don't identify the architecture, it will be a very tough time. Okay, it will be a very tough time in doing it. So please just identify the architecture, and then again what you have to do is you have to get back here to the code. Now let's run this. Let's get back and run this. So we have just uploaded the everything. So Control V. So just run this. Okay. I'm sorry. Exclamation. You must not forget the exclamation. Okay, the training is going to start. Okay. Okay, the training has been started. Okay, first iteration it started with 3.2 average loss. Okay, so the loss should get down. So let's see. After a short time, I will be telling you with 100 iterations what will happen is that it will not open. So you have to change the directory. Everything should be backup into the directory. So I am working on that. There's a small mistake in that. So I will surely get back to it. So these are the details so far I can give you now. So do this tutorial in the manner what I have told you. See, please refer the GitHub and everything. If you don't refer it, there will be a very bad time. Okay, please do this step by step sequentially, and our aim should be of generating math proofs, okay, with this RNN. So this is the text that has been generated. So thank you. Okay, so let's start doing some math proofs, and programming languages also you can do. So you can just Linux source code has been also generated in this. So this is the Linux GitHub repo. Okay, you can just copy all those code and convert that into ASCII. This is the Linux source code, and after converting this into ASCII you can make a wait, and after making a wait you can just run it. These days are wonderful, that's what I can tell you. Okay, so just generating a source code from scratch is not that hard now. Okay, if you like this, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, so far we have just finished 26 iterations. I will tell you there will be a mistake actually at the 100th iterations it will not able to save it. So I will surely make another tutorial as soon as possible, okay, to just make a backup on this. Okay, so far so good. On Colab, this is being done on Colab. Okay, generating Eminem lyrics. Okay, so far what you have seen is the Shakespeare's text over here about 10 lakh lines. Okay, it's not 10 lakh, more than 10 lakh, 1 million or something. More than 1 million is 10 lakh. I'm sorry, in Indian terms. it should be more than that. Okay, you can just generate it. Okay, so if you consider this tutorial to be very fast, I'm sorry that I'll be making another tutorial on backup and everything. So thank you. So at the 100th iteration, I will show you what happens. Ooh, camera is on. Okay, we have just entered the 100th iterations and it could not say save this. So we will see what kind of error this in Google. Let's go here and type Googly, please help us. Whatever problem, Google will help except money and wife. Okay, so this is not supposed to back up those things. So this is our success till now. So there will be a second part of this video. We will be surely making on that, on text generation. So just don't forget, we have to generate some text. We have to generate the whole Linux. Okay, and we have to just Linux from scratch, LFCS. We can also do that. Okay. So these days are wonderful. We just need a very normal computer. Colab is providing us the GPU and everything. We can just succeed in anything. Okay, so far, so thank you. This is RNN text generation. Okay, I just made this tutorial to make Eminem raps. I just love his songs. But more interesting part is generating math proofs and some Linux source code from scratch. Okay, you can even generate total Facebook or WhatsApp or everything from scratch from this. Okay, so this is our problem today, so I'll just try to fix it. So it says that you have to change some names. This is the again going to do the object reduction. Okay, so thank you for your cooperation. Thank you, friends.